In this video, I'll show you how to scrape job listings from any company's career page automatically using Apify. This tool can extract job titles, locations, departments, seniority levels, skills, requirements, responsibilities, salaries, and more from any company homepage you give it. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, find the companies you want to scrape. All you need is the company homepage. For example, stripe.com, notion.so, or figma.com. You do not need to find the career page URL yourself. The scraper discovers it automatically. Copy one or more of these company URLs. Now go to Apify and search for Company Career Page Scraper. Open the actor page. Paste your company URLs into the input field. Set the maximum number of jobs per company. Then click Start. The scraper will automatically find each company's career page, detect the applicant tracking system they use, and extract all open positions. While it's running, it also uses artificial intelligence to enrich each job, pulling out structured fields like skills, requirements, responsibilities, benefits, and salary directly from the job description. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains a job title, location, department, seniority level, employment type, and a full list of skills, requirements, responsibilities, benefits, and salary, all extracted and structured by artificial intelligence. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. The link to the actor is in the video description. Thanks for watching.